Getting ready to go to the tree lighting. We got to bundle up. It's cold today. We're pretty excited about it. We've never been able to make it before. It's either been really cold or it's been rainy, or Davis was too little to go out. Then when he got bigger, then Luke was too little to go out in this, because you got to be out there for a couple of hours. So definitely looking forward to it. We have our toy to donate. Luke carried it out because he's got a Santa Claus shirt on, right?
Ho ho ho.
That's right. So we're here and we're trying to figure out how to unload out of the car. Yeah, Santa's getting the toy. Come on, Santa.
Go over here, Santa Claus.
You gotta ho 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 it. All the little ones up front, and they are singing along with everybody else. Luke went to the Vogel State Park tree lighting, and it was awesome. They had free cookies and hot cocoa. They had face painting and crafts. They also, as you saw in the video, they had called all the kids up there to sing the Christmas carols, which I loved. And then, of course, they had everybody light their candles. It was just awesome. This is definitely going to be something that I'm pretty sure we're going to do for years to come.